Hey guys! As you can see, it's still pretty messy in here. This is my craft room and I'm needing to organize my crafts. So it was my birthday a couple days ago and I asked to be brought to TJ Maxx and I said, let's find me some organization things that will inspire me to organize my stuff. And then it was kind of fun. We just went to the clearance section and we found a couple things and then we were like, that's it. We're not even going to look in the rest of the store. We're just staying in clearance. So I'm going to just do a good old fashioned TJ Maxx haul. So I had two objectives. One was to find things to do my organization, like some little boxes or something to put my pens in, especially little places to put different things. So I had some ideas, I thought kind of those 45-degree angle things where you kind of slide the pens in and they sit at that 45-degree angle so the ink doesn't dry up, or the ink goes to the right place on the pen. So I thought maybe some of those, maybe a desk organizer. But then I also knew TJ Maxx just has a bunch of random stuff sometimes. So sometimes they have some Hello Kitty mugs or something like that. And I'm like, well, what's a better pencil cup than a Hello Kitty mug? So I was like, let's see what is there. And they had a big clearance section. They had balloons on the clearance tables. And we were trying to go back to the home section of the store, but I stopped dead in my tracks and I saw out the corner of my eye a big neon Hello Kitty light, and I was like, I want that. I did not end up getting it, but I'll tell you why. But the second objective that I have is lighting that is battery powered, and the reason for that is I have this room here. Electricity is fine in here, but there's another room right next door that, for whatever reason, after I left, the electricity just doesn't work in there anymore. We don't use that room. So I was thinking about changing that room up to be something where you don't need a lot of light. I was like, well, maybe that can be where I do my tap dance and do yoga and other things, because you don't need that much light there. But it would be nice to have some kind of mood lighting in there. So I was like, I know TJ Maxx is going to have battery powered string lights. I just know it, but I did not end up getting those. So the reason I didn't get the Hello Kitty is because it is a USB powered, it had a USB at the end, which I don't like in general, but the only really good way to use that, it would be either to plug it into a brick and plug it into the wall, which I can't do in that room, or to plug it into my computer, which that's not ideal. I was like, if they have those little battery pack powered LED lights or string lights, then I'll get that. It would be really great if that Hello Kitty neon lamp thing was battery powered, because I definitely would have gotten it. So first thing I found and I was like, this is perfect, because it's pink, it's iridescent, it's shiny, and it is a makeup organizer, but there's really nothing different between a makeup organizer and a art supply pen organizer. So it has some lower places for, I'm not sure right now, but scissors and ribbons and stuff. So that is a good find, and I got two of them. There were two that were this iridescent shiny, and then there were two that were a faux leatherette kind of thing. So I got these two, and I'm excited to do that. And then the next thing that we found, this is actually for my husband. It's this controller holder, so like it can hold a controller, but he got it. You can also use it to hold a phone, but he got it to hold his headphones. So his headphones are always falling down. So hopefully this works for that. And I was like, we were kind of making fun because I was like, I'm gonna film this haul of what we got from TJ Maxx, and he was like, oh, you're gonna show that I like Harley Quinn. And then I was like, yeah, this is what I'll be like, yeah, this is what my husband likes. And then he was like, well, your hair is like exactly like Harley Quinn. Maybe I should get bangs. He's gonna set that up by his computer. And then I found these two things. I'm kind of taking a chance on them. They were only $1. So I got both of them. They are battery powered, which is great, but the little doors for the batteries, they came off. But I think that's okay. We just have to like be careful or tape them on. And then here's this one. So nice like little mood lighting. So I was just grabbing it because I was like, what is that? And my husband was like, it's a lamp. But I think I would even get it just as like a vase because it's pretty cool looking. And it goes so nicely with my pencil organizer things. Battery lights would be cool. And then we found like these like off-brand sugar-free syrups, but the first one we saw was gingerbread. I didn't know it was sugar-free yet. And I was like, oh, I love gingerbread because I've been really liking gingerbread tea. Like holiday time gingerbread tea. But then we saw it was sugar-free and I was like, oh, I don't really want that. And then there were like all of these like weird off-brands. And then there was randomly a Monin one that was lavender. And I was like, ooh, I would get that if it was a better flavor. And then we looked a little bit more and then there was another Monin gingerbread. And I was like, did somebody hear me? That is so weird. Like, there's only 2 Monins, one lavender and one gingerbread. I should have gotten the lavender one too. But yeah, it was also only $1. So how cool. So really good haul. And that's it. That's all we got. But I'm really happy. It like exactly what I would set out to look for was just sitting there on the clearance tables. And then this was like a big treat. If you have any suggestions for different ways to organize pens especially and things like that, pens and stickers actually especially, so that's what I'm going to be working on coming up soon. Lately I've been like doing a lot of cleaning and clearing. Like I cleared out I'm working on clearing out the closet. I'm going to be working on clearing out the shelf and just starting from zero and building up instead of trying to work with what like things that are already there. I need to clear everything out and then start organizing that way, and then I think it'll actually work for me. Yeah, so if you have any suggestions for organizing craft things or creative art supplies or anything like that, I'm happy to hear them. If you have any suggestions for battery powered light sources, I'm really happy to hear them. Well, ones that like are actually a little bit bright, because nothing that I have is actually bright, so it's like super duper mood lighting. But that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!